A day after Raj Thackeray dared the state to arrest him, arrest me if you can, the government of Maharashtra went ahead and did exactly that. 3 hours past midnight, Mumbai police swooped down at a government guest house in Ratnagiri and arrested the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief along with some of his supporters. It was the beginning of a long day for the MNS chief as well as for harried citizens all across the state. The centre's threat to invoke Article 355, a censure to the state, finally forced the state to act. Despite preventive arrests of nearly 1,900 people, violence hit the streets. Raj supporters went on a rampage, pelting stones at shops and vehicles and forcing office goers to return home. The state administration, which has faced criticism for being allegedly soft on Raj Thackeray, was finally forced to go on the front foot. On the other hand, even now the government is sleeping on a file sent to it by Mumbai police seeking permission to prosecute Raj. The file was sent more than 6 months ago. In February, Vikhroli police had registered a case against Raj after he made provocative speeches inciting communal violence. Since the case was registered under Section 153A, promoting enmity between communities of the Indian Penal Code, Mumbai police required sanction from the state government to prosecute Raj.
153A लगाए थे, non-bailable sections लगाए थे, and we had employed the best of lawyers.
During a press meet, the media also questioned the police commissioner why other more applicable sections like violation of constitution were not filed against Raj Thackeray.
हमने उसमें कोई cognizable offence नहीं पाया. हमने legal opinion लिया उसमें from the law and judiciary department, and no cognizable offence was disclosed.
This gives light to the government claim that it would leave no stone unturned to crack down on MNS for taking law in its hands. The Mumbai police have sent an advisory note to all TV channels not to play up the violent activities of the supporters of Raj Thackeray. MNS activists had resorted to violence following the arrest of Raj. Images of the violence were being carried by TV channels throughout the day.
We have issued sort of an advisory to a couple of channels where what is happening is they are repeatedly showing one scene which is creating a very wrong impression in the society. So we have issued an advisory to them that please refrain from sort of projecting a wrong image to the masses.
According to the police chief, when TV channels show acts of violence repeatedly, it only adds to the public fury and discomfort. It worsens the law and order situation even though the vandalism may not be such of a great extent. When visuals are repeated, the footages give a wrong impression about the situation in the city.